Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to start unit number 2, which is about materials. Materials are actually the things around us, and we will discuss what is it made of. Open your books, page number 17, 16, 17. So in this module, you will use your senses to explore different materials, find out what some materials look and feel like, find out what some materials do, name some common materials, sort materials into groups. So this is the basic introduction to unit number 2. So if you see in your room around you, يعني شوف في الغرفة كل شيء يعني everything is made of some materials. Okay, like maybe something is soft, something is hard. Yes, Abdulaziz, how are you?
Very nice.
Very nice, thank you. So everything around you is made of something called material. So materials have some properties as well. So here, as you can see, this object here, you can see this object, tea kettle, electric kettle. This is shiny because you can see light is reflected from it. يعني في انعكاس حق النور.
Mister, I know everything about it.
Thank you, Abdulaziz. Can you tell me something about materials?
Ingredients in food.
Sorry?
Ingredients in food.
Thank you. So here you can see some fruit, some pots. They are different from each other and they are made of different materials. Okay. Some are shiny, some are soft, some are hard, some are fragile. So they are different from each other. Yes, Muhammad Al-Ghamdi. تفضل.
اجيب الكتب ولا لا؟
ايوه هذا كتاب انت ما شوف رقم صفحه 16.
بجيبه
لازم يا اخي.
انا بجيب الكتب.
Okay, so we will discuss in this module what is it made of. Okay. So tell me, if I make or I Khalid Salim, okay. If I prefer or I say that make your clothes with paper. هذا كويس good. If we make our clothes with paper يعني نسوي ملابس مع الورقة هذا كويس.
Don't put your hand forward.
Yes, anyone, Mustafa, Uday, Moyed. If we make our clothes with paper, is it good?
No, yes. What? No. No, no.
With what?
Why not, Abdul Aziz?
No.
ليش الملابس مو بالقماش؟
Why not,
مو
Abdul Aziz?
Because it's for wearing.
Yes, it is for wearing, and paper is not comfortable and paper is not strong enough. Okay, so we need something strong, something soft to wear, and something absorbent as well. So if we go out and rain comes, and paper clothes will wash out. So this is not good for us. We need privacy as well. So we need clothes which are comfortable and soft. Okay, so tell me, if we make a hammer, you know hammer, if we make hammer with glass, what will happen? Yes, Uday, are you there? Aywa.
He was broken.
Yes, yes, salam, it will be broken. Very nice, thank you. So now we will start. So here you
أنا
have
أدرس الكلمة.
Habibi, very nice, mashallah. So there we have words which will be used in this module, word cloud. As always, we have in the start of the unit. Number one is, you will all read after me, Ikramabad, okay? Don't open your mics, just read after me. Material, plastic, wood, paper, tell, glass, and metal. Metal यही गजाज, material yani any material you see around you, like these all are materials, different materials. Okay, then tell yani kallim or ishrah, plastic, paper yani warqa, glass yani gazaz, wood yani khashab, metal yani zai hadid. Okay, so these are some words which you have written in your notebooks. طيب, you should write these. If you didn't, اكتب هذا في الدفتر وارسلني، هذا واجب. If you didn't send, لو انت ارسلت خلاص اوكي، لو ما في ارسلت ارسل اليوم. Okay, then on the next page we have page 17. 17. Imagine you are holding this toy, يعني انت امسك هذا. What does it feel like? كيف هذا يعني? How will you feel?
Fluffy.
Fluffy. Okay, and
Softy.
yes, it's soft. It is soft. So we will write here, it feels soft. Okay, right here, it feels soft. ITFEELS. It feels SOFT, soft. It feels soft. Okay, question number 2. Or we can write it here up. It feels soft. Then describe the toy. What does it feel like? This toy. This toy will be hard. So this is made up of plastic. This toy car, here you can see this toy
Trunk
car.
and plastic.
Yes, it is made up of plastics, and plastic is hard. So we will write here plastic. Just one second. Plastic is hard. Because this toy is made up of plastic, so we wrote plastic feels hard. Sorry. Okay. Next, objects that do the same job can look and feel different. Like what? Like here you can see some pots. This pot, here is a cup, this is a cup, and this is a cup. You can see three different cups made of three different materials. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. This cup is shiny, this cup is fragile or strong, and this is dull. This cup is dull. So we will write here. Okay. You will write here
Mister,
dull. Yes.
this is her.
Yes.
This is her. This is her.
Yes. Thank you. So this one is dull. Number 2. This one is fragile. This one is fragile. هذا fragile. اكتب fragile. Last one shiny. Shiny. The last one is shiny. Dull, fragile, and shiny. كتبت ولا لا؟
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, keep writing with me. طيب. Okay, so same things are or same things have different feelings. Okay, if we touch them, we feel different. Like here, I gave you example. There are 3 cups. You can drink water, you can drink tea, you can drink milk, whatever. But these are the task or the job is the same. Okay, you put tea inside and drink. Okay, you will take tea, but they are different in feelings. This is dull, this is fragile, this is shiny. Okay. Okay, now we have an activity. An activity. What is the activity? Here you can see in this.
يعني Mr. Ziad, please.
Yes.
Mr. Ziad. يعني I want to understand how these children understand what is fragile, what is dull, what is shiny. والله it's I don't know what to say.
Yes.
Fragile fragile. I now I don't know what is fragile.
يعني هذا كسر سرعة، لو انت ارمي تحت هذا كسر سرعة بالسرعة يعني.
I understand it's okay, but I don't know. Yes. They have to give يعني simple information. I don't know about this.
Because they have a book, I have to explain. After this, I will. Okay, I will send a video which will explain by practical. طيب.
I'm trying to help him, but يعني fragile.
No, I will send a video to which will show this is dull, this is fragile, this is shiny. When they will see video, they will understand. Okay, that this is fragile. Okay, this is shiny. Because if I say in Arabic, there is no benefit. If I explain or I translate.
No. Not about Arabic. About يعني information that
yes,
his
you
age,
know,
his age can take or can accept. He's still teaching alphabetical. يعني he's still teaching alphabetical.
Yes, brother. Yes, because you know it's some of our students, they are good at alphabets and they need more information. So we are giving for them as well, which is on alphabets. They are working with Mr. Ahmed Shaban and Mr.
No, no, no,
Saeed.
no. I am not talking. I am talking about the one boy. It's not information that fit his age or maybe his class. I don't know. I feel it's. I feel like it's hard for their age or for their class. Yeah.
This is the basic
Okay.
information, so we
It's
should.
okay. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I will
Thank you.
send a video and then you will understand that they can understand what's going on. Okay, inshallah.
I understand, but I want him to
Thank you, brother.
understand.
Thank you,
Okay.
brother. I will send a video and then they will understand. Okay, no worries. Inshallah. Okay. So what you will do, paper can hold up a heavy book. Try it. Roll up 12 sheets of paper, stick them together to make a tower. Can you balance a book on your tower? Yani you will fold papers, yani sabi zai kida papers, okay? Papers yani warqa. Make them fold, okay? And then stick them with each other like a tower. And then, yes, Maaz, you need anything?
No.
Okay. So what you will do, you will make a tower with papers and put a book on that tower.
Fish.
Page number 17. Okay, page 17, brother. Done? Okay, let me just,
Dad.
yes,
Tabish.
mashallah. Kitab al-Science.
كتاب ساينس Dad.
Yes, Kitab al-Science.
أستاذ عيد ما أمي.
Kitab al-Science. افتح كتاب الساينس يا حبيبي. Open your science books. Just wait. Let me just
Start.
open. Yes.
Start. عيد ما فهمنا.
طيب يا حبيبي.
Math book yes Dad.
Yes. Just 1 second. Let me explain. Open your books just. Let me show you the activity. Okay. Just 1 second and I will show you the activity. How you will do this. Okay. So here I am going to.
Dad.
Yes.
كتاب
محمد الغامدي
هذا
انت ما
عندك؟
جبت كتاب، انت كلام انا جبت كتاب ساينس صح؟
طيب
من اول الحين انت كلام في ايش كتاب؟ شوف you will do this activity. طيب this is how you will do this activity. Fold the papers, okay? Fold the papers, stick them with each other and you can make this tower, okay? Understand? Or you can make like this with paper and on the top you will put some books, 1 or 2, no problem, and then take a picture and send it to me. Okay, هذا activity, this is your activity for today. Okay, فهمت ولا لا؟
book
Yes.
paper.
ايوه سوي paper, make fold and then مؤيد Uday Jassar, did you understand? Abdul Aziz, what you are gonna do? Hattan,
Yes, mister.
okay. So you are going to do this activity and send it to me, okay?
Mr. Novi teacher.
Sorry?
Mr. Novi teacher.
Yes, I know. I'm just one second. Wait. Okay, you can see picture now.
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, open next page, which is page number 18. 18. Page 18. Page 18, okay? Okay, the boy is asking now different materials. Use your senses. What are 5 senses? Who will tell me? 5 senses. Khamsa hawas. Who will tell me?
Think, smell,
Ya salam.
taste.
Who is with me? Muhammad Usman.
Hand.
Touch.
Touch. Very good. Okay.
Touch.
Yes. Very nice.
Nose.
Touch, taste,
Nose.
touch, taste, smell, then listening and seeing. These are 5 senses. Okay. هذا 5 حواس. طيب. Smell, seeing or sight, taste, touch, and hear. These are 5 senses. Okay.
To
فهمت
see,
ولا لا؟ Yes مصطفى.
Listen.
listen,
listen يعني
Okay.
ايش معنى يا مصطفى بالعربي؟ listen يعني
Listen. هاي. Listen. شو يعني listen؟
sit.
شو يعني listen؟
yes
يعني listen.
مصطفى
لا.
come on.
Yes.
يعني listen.
listen
شو يعني
يعني
بدنا شو نعمل؟
Yes.
نسمع.
اسمع. yes good boy. then
See.
touch يعني ايش؟ يعني مس.
Touch. لمسه.
صح؟
لمسه.
يلمس.
محمد عثمان
touch
لا
يعني
ما
نمسه.
في يفتح غير ما في يفتح مايك.
يلا. اوكي answer.
okay so tell me Mustafa how
Smell.
many. okay so here you can see some materials object. how many objects are there يعني كم هذا how many
Count.
عدد.
يلا.
count them and tell me.
Count. يلا.
till
Yeah,
you
عد.
count I will read. Materials look and feel different. We use our senses to find out about objects. we look at them, we feel them. yes
عادي أجاوب.
لا انتظر يا حبيبي انا اكلم مصطفى.
يلا
wait
answer.
Ziyad please.
How many?
yes how many.
7. 7.
1 2 3
2,
4
3, 4,
5
5, 6, 7.
7. excellent. So there are 7 objects. So we will write here 7. 7. Okay. So you will write here 7. Okay. 7. طيب. Okay. So who can read these words? من اقرأ. What is this object?
Me.
Yes, Faiz. هذا ايش؟
Phone.
Phone. Then
Pen.
apple. Then this one.
Button phone.
Wooden
Let's say
spoon. Thank you, Faiz.
Balloon.
Yes, anyone else? Mayyid, Jassar, Abdullah Salim, Faris, Hattan, Abdulillah, Jassar, anyone? Adam. Next one. من يقرأ؟ أيوة هذا إيش يا حتان? What is this؟
أنا عبد الله.
Yes, Abdullah. اقرأ هذه. Balloon. Yes. Candle.
Balloon.
Candle.
Balloon.
Paint brush. Paint brush. Paint brush. Then we have wool. Then we have wool. Imagine you are in the dark room. यानी इनका मौजूद मसलन okay. मसलन इंत मौजूद फिल गुरफा माफी नूर طيب and your brother gives you pencil and apple, you will identify which one is pencil and which one is apple. Or if I give you wool and wooden spoon or stone or balloon, you will identify that this is balloon, this is wood, stone or wool. يعني انت فهم هذا النايم يعني هذا wool، لو ما في نايم stone or wood يعني خشب. طيب so this one you can understand like this. When you touch apple or wool, you will identify that this is apple and this is wool. See some objects that feel hard and soft. Hard yani gavi, soft yani naim. طيب hard yani gavi, soft yani naim. Let me just show you some objects. You will identify this is strong or not. So now who will answer? Number one is wood yani khashab. هذا hard wala soft wala naim or yes wood is hard. فهمت يا مصطفى؟ أيوة, good boy. So we will write this here. This is wood. It's hard. Yes, hard. طيب. Wood is hard. Then we have metal. Yani hadid, zay hadid. Huh? This one. Hard. Okay, so we will write here. Metal. Metal, we will write in hard. Next we have wool. Wool. Soft or hard? Soft. Yes, salam. Soft. Excellent. Thank you. كلكم لازم كلام. طيب, everybody answer me. Okay, next. Plastic. Hard wala naim? Soft or hard? Just one second. Wait. This must be like this. Plastic is hard. So we will write here plastic. Okay. Then we have leather. Leather is soft. You should say one time only, okay? Say once. Leather is soft, not hard. You can move it. Ceramic. هذا hard ولا ceramic يعني gold. Ceramic is hard. طيب. After this, fabric yani gumash. Huh? Soft. Yes, salam. Soft. Thank you. What is happening today? Fabric. Should write the name. Okay, fabric. Then stone yani hajar. Stone, brick, diamond, glass or ice. These are all hard. And cotton cotton is soft. Okay.
That's it.
So you will do this worksheet today and send it to me. طيب. This is your. Hey, what are you doing? Okay, so this is it for today. I will send you worksheet now. هذا واجب. طيب.
Okay.
هذا worksheet ورقة عمل أنا أرسلها الحين في الجروب. طيب. Goodbye.
Okay. Goodbye.